Hello everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to withdraw from eBay to your bank. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you're on eBay, and obviously you just have to do all the verifications that's required in order to sign into eBay and do the proper cashing out. But once you're here, you just have to go to your account. So you just have to make sure that you're set up and you're signed in. So after that, go to my eBay from here, tap on this one, and then go to summary. Then once you're in summary, it's going to ask you to double check for verification so that you know they're making sure that you're a real person. And then once you're in here, obviously you just want to go to purchases first to see if it's already connected to the account that you have for payment methods. But the main thing that you wanna go to is the selling. So click over here and then tap on the overview. Then here you can see there's going to be cash out section right here. And as you can see, I don't have any balance on my eBay. So I have $0, but you can just simply click the right arrow right here. It will appear somewhere in here in the middle. And then just click on cash out. Then from there, you can link your bank account from the list. So you list like the number, the account number, the account name, and that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!